Ignite the Light Within. You can read all of this on the information page. But what I really want you to take away is that this is a new light. This isn't some light some burning flame that we've been trying to keep alive for so long. This is a new light that we are creating, designing, activating, and programming together. So when you tap into Ignite the Light Within, we are actually accessing a new activation timeline that you have not accessed before, that is available for you now. And you're doing it. I'm not doing it for you. I'm guiding you. I'm showing you how. But you are so powerful of a healer, a leader, a soul to step in and activate this new timeline for yourself. And I'm going to show you how to do it. So this is what we're going to do for 3 weeks together. The first week, we're going to talk about the power of now, which is activating this timeline. Okay. Then we're going to code this timeline. So we're going to transcend the ego key codes. Hey, we're going to activate the power of now. This is what we want. This is where we're at. This is what our dreams are. This is what our goals are. This is the power of now. And why is it now? Why is our soul calling us to now? We're going to really activate that. In the way of that, we need to make sure that we are supported and everyone is on board. So how do we do that? We do that by transcending our ego key codes. I'm giving you the full-on training. Like I said, this training has been for my signature clients, for my souls that are in this advanced elite level, but I want you to have access to it in this program, access to it like everyone else. So this is truly a really intensive 7 key code transcending the egos through this, so that every time this ego shows up, every time this ego is activated, you know how to move through it, you know how to support yourself, you know where to go, and you just byproductly move through it and ascend and access a higher level of consciousness and make a new choice and see how this new choice is actually reflected throughout your reality. So our 3rd week is the creator codes. You are the creator of your life. You are the creator of your reality. You have this and have had this all along. So with that said, let's create a brand new light. Let's bring in and activate this brand new light, supported by your pillars, supported by your soul, supported by your ego, getting everyone on board. Activating this highest timeline with this new light, bringing it inside of you and creating the life that you want to live, creating this timeline that you're ready to experience life and through a newfound conscious level of connection, community, experience. And then I have a bonus week, which is my absolute favorite week, is accessing your soul fire chamber activation. You are going to do this. We're going to do this by accessing this soul fire, this new flame, this new spark inside of you. And the way that I've been doing this right now with my one-on-one clients have been so potent. They're like, oh my gosh, just by writing this out, just by activating this and coding this into my field, I can do anything. I am doing everything differently. So you are going to create a devotional to yourself, to what it is that you want to access inside of the soul fire, how it is you want to live. We're going to lay everything out. And ultimately, you just get to start living from this space. You get to start experiencing life from this space because you are so incredibly intentional about creating your life. And I'm going to show you how to do all this. So don't worry, don't get overwhelmed. I'm going to share as much information as I can here without overwhelming you. But you are the creator of your life. And I'm going to show you how to actually not only create it and just have a vision board about it, but live it, experience it, embody it, practice it in your reality. Everything I do teaches you how to have awakening awareness, full on practicing and effortless embodiment, because you know who you are, you've practiced who you are, and you are truly becoming your highest soul self. So what does this look like? Here's what I want you to know. You can register for the Ignite the Light Within. You can choose your energetic investment for this 3 weeks, plus lifetime access to all other releases. So something super cool that came through my channel is Ignite the Light Within isn't just this singular workshop. You actually activate one time. So you invest in yourself one time. In every other release, it could be about something completely different. We're going to ignite the light. We're going to ignite a new flame. We're going to create a new activation. We're going to connect to a new timeline. So every single version of Ignite the Light Within is not a singular workshop. It's a completely different, unique opportunity to access that next level of ascension each and every time it's launched. It will not be the same topics. We will not be going over the same things. But what we're going over right now is essential for you and your ascension journey, your personal growth journey, your soul evolution journey. And each time it's launched is just going to launch you and activate you and program you into that next level, that next layer, that next timeline that you're available for now. So what I want to do in this round is it's $197 for full access for this, plus all other releases, activations, and coding of the next layer of the Ignite the Light Within. And this round, I have space and availability to hold 4 souls, only 4 of you that choose to come into this in a VIP access to this program. So not only will you get full access to Ignite the Light Within, you also get weekly one-on-one calls so we can go even deeper, so we can program, grid, and ground you even deeper into this new light that you've ignited, activated, and timeline that you've stepped into. So if this sounds like something that you want to have access to once a week, if you're a VIP, if you choose the VIP path, you have the once a week program plus once a week one-on-one calls. So we're connecting very deeply, very intensely for 3 weeks, twice a week. That's what the access is for VIP. For the rest of you that are really ready to just ignite, feel, ascend, and step into that timeline that you want to access, you can fully access it. And I'm going to show you how to do that. Those of you that want that, it's $197. It's that 3 weeks plus every single version and just evolved version of Ignite the Light Within that comes out. You get full access to it without even having to invest again. You are fully invested, fully committed, and I am to you. So I want you to see that I want to pour into you. I love to serve inside of supporting you, helping and growing in what you truly desire and what you're truly worthy of. That is the full rundown of Ignite the Light Within. I am so grateful for supporting you, holding space for you inside of building your crystalline own architectural design, having these pillars support you, hold you, and lead you through every single twist, turn, bend that you go through in your personal life, your soul development, and your spiritual evolution. I can't wait to support you in so many more ways. If you have any questions, absolutely reach out. Let me know, leave a comment. Let's work on you for you because you are worthy and deserving of it. And I will see you really, really soon.